Good afternoon, students. Today, our topic is soluble and insoluble substances, part 2. This is the science chapter, science subject, class 6th, topic of class 6th. Yesterday, we learned about what is solute. Let me once again show you what is solute. The substance which is dissolved is called solute. Solvent is the substance in which the solute is dissolved, and solution is a mixture of two or more components that form a homogeneous mixture. Then I told you people that solute dissolved in a solute dissolved in a solvent are categorized into two soluble and insoluble substances. What are soluble substances and what are insoluble substances? First, let me show you an experiment. Experiment is, take 3 glass tumblers. We will take 3 glass tumblers. This is one, this is second, and this is third. There is water in it. The 3 tumblers contain water. Okay. Water. This is container A, this is container B, and this is container C. In this we add salt as a solute. Solvent is water. Here we add sugar, and here we add sand. Now we will take a stirrer. We will stir it continuously. Both of the three, we will stir both of them continuously. What will we see after some time? We will observe. What will we observe? We will observe this salt after some time gets dissolved in this water, and we will see a homogeneous mixture. In this second part, where there is sugar, we will observe, after stirring it continuously, again a solution and no particle at all. And in case of C part, we will see sand gets settled down at the bottom and water remains in the upper portion. This shows that A and B, these are soluble substances. Soluble substances. And this C, where sand gets settled down at the bottom and the top floor, it's water there. This is insoluble substance. This is insoluble substance. This is the categorization of solute, soluble and insoluble. What is soluble and what is insoluble? Soluble is जिसमें हमें solute completely dissolve हो जाएगा, और insoluble होता है जिसमें हमें solute completely dissolve नहीं हो जाएगा. Got it? Then we can say soluble substance is a substance which dissolved in water is said to be soluble, and insoluble is which does not get dissolved in water are said to be insoluble substances. are said to be insoluble substances. पहले मैंने आपको दिखाया था सल्यूट प्लस सॉल्वेंट इज इक्वल टू सॉल्यूशन। फिर मैंने आप लोगों को सल्यूट पढ़ाया, फिर सॉल्वेंट पढ़ाया, फिर सॉल्यूशन दिखाया। अब हमने सॉल्युबल और इनसॉल्युबल किया, इसके लिए हमने एक्टिविटी भी की। अब जो हम दिखाएंगे, जो यही सॉल्युबल और इनसॉल्युबल सब्सटेंसेस हैं, इनको हम बोलते हैं सॉल्युबिलिटी। क्या बोलते हैं? द सब्सटेंस लाइक शुगर एंड सॉल्ट which gets disappeared in water, these are water soluble. And the substances like we take here sand, we can take chalk powder also, which does not dissolve or disappear in water, those are called water insoluble substances. Okay, this is all for today. We will meet inshallah